Hello everyone, it's your boy IB Squad here. What's good? I hope you guys are all doing fine and are healthy and safe and sound. So simple सी बात है. This video is based on my modifications on how I made this small and minor modifications possible. First of all, thanks to my dad. Thank you dad. ये modifications आपके बिना नहीं हो पाती. And yeah, these are the 3D winglets that I designed in my PC, and these are for giveaways. So note that these are for giveaways. Once we hit 1k subs, we'll organize a giveaway. One of you lucky winners are gonna have these for free and are gonna get a shout out on my channel once we hit 1k subs. Note that 1k subs. I'm not aiming for 1 million. I'm giving you before we hit 1k subs. Yeah, I know I might seem mad for you guys that I'm organizing a giveaway, but to be honest, I believe I should share my creativity for free once we hit 1k as a celebration that, like, you know, we are moving forward with our channel. And that is the reason why I'm giving out these bad boys for free in 1k subs. Now, for those of you who want these winglets in advance, you might have to pay me, and all you can do to purchase this winglet is to DM me in Instagram, and then we'll reach out to you and give you all the details ASAP. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and soon we'll be coming up with more videos like these, and I'm not gonna bore you with my voice. So for those of you guys who have actually helped me in sharing these videos and, like, you know, helped me in growing my channel, love you guys. You guys are the best, and we'll be making more videos like these. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and hasta la vista, baby.
Till the battle's won, still king of